Breaking news, guys. Breaking news. Orlando Pirates Football Club have just announced the signing of Sipombule, the talented midfielder, attacking midfielder Sipombule. So Orlando Pirates have acquired his services. Of course, Sipombule this past season was with Mamelodi Sundowns, but he was loaned out to Sekhukhune United for the duration of the season, the 2024-2025 season at Sekhukhune United. So upon the expiry of his contract at Mamelodi Sundowns decided against renewing his contract, therefore making Sipombule a free agent, meaning he was available. And we know he was linked with Kaiser Chiefs, was heavily linked with Kaiser Chiefs, even with his agent, Mike McCabe, coming out to say that he has indeed recommended Sipombule to Kaiser Chiefs, or saying that he has offered Sipombule to Kaiser Chiefs. So we don't know what happened there. Is it a case of maybe Kaiser Chiefs were not interested, or is it a case that of Kaiser Chiefs being interested, but the two teams, rather the two parties, not able to reach an agreement, therefore making Sipombule available for Orlando Pirates? We're not sure about the details as to what happened in his proposed move to Kaiser Chiefs. But what we do know is that he has now joined Orlando Pirates. Before I go further on this video, guys, let me just greet you guys and welcome you guys. Welcome to the platform. My name is Debos Kosana. The name of the platform is Itiskile2 TV. Please, guys, help me grow this platform by subscribing and then clicking the notification bell after you've subscribed. Then make sure that you watch the videos. It's important so the YouTube algorithm can pick it up, and therefore the YouTube algorithm will then push the video to a much wider audience, meaning it will recommend the video to a much wider audience, therefore helping me grow the platform. Another way is by sharing this video or the videos on the social media platforms, guys. All right, guys. So I'm interested to hear your views and your opinions, guys. This is the first official signing that Orlando Pirates has announced, but of course we've heard and read about players like Masindi Nomtangela from Marumo Gallants going to Orlando Pirates, Yanele Mbatumbu from Richards Bay going to Orlando Pirates, Sihlenduli from Stellenbosch going to Orlando Pirates, Snokolo Kwaiba from Chippa United going to Orlando Pirates, and the two players from Baroka. But of course, those players have not yet been officially announced by the club, unlike the Sipombule one. See, so this makes Sipombule the first official uh, signing that has been announced by the club. So, what do you guys make of this signing? Do you think it's a brilliant move by Orlando Pirates? Do you think it's a hit, or do you think it's going to be a miss? Because of course, one thing that we should not do, I don't think anyone will do, is to doubt Sipombule's abilities, his talents. No one can do that. Sipombule is not being called the master chef for nothing. There's a reason why Sipombule is called Master Chef, because of his ability to cook in that midfield. And we know this past season that Orlando Pirates Achilles heel, it was in that midfield, where they had hardworking players such as Makhehle Makaula and Talet Mbata. But those players, their strength is not to control the match. It is not to dictate the terms. It is not to control the tempo of the match and make Orlando Pirates play. So that's why Orlando Pirates lacked this past season. So with the arrival of Sipombule, it does boost that midfield, no doubt. It does boost that midfield. So now the issue is to see how the coach will deploy Sipombule, because remember Orlando Pirates now have got a new coach. Will he deploy him as a 10 or as an 8? You see, that's going to be the dilemma for the new coach now, to play Sipombule as an 8 or as a 10. Because if Sipombule is going to play as a 10, that means game time is going to be limited for players like as Patrick Maswanganyi, who this past season did not have the greatest of the campaigns. Patrick Maswanganyi this past season did not have a great season. So if then the arrival of players such as Sipombule, and Sipombule will be deployed as a 10, then that means trouble for Patrick Maswanganyi. Unless Sipombule is going to be played as an 8. You see, because in terms of the defensive midfield, of course, on parts have got the Sihlon that I've mentioned, they've got the young Selepe, they've got Makhehle Makaula. So For me, the way I see things and view things, Sipumbule becomes a direct competition for Talent Mbat. For me, Sipumbule would play as an 8. You see, so then that means limited game time for a player like Talent Mbat, who, of course, a lot of people have complained about him not being able to take charge of the midfield, not being able to dictate the terms of the midfield to make sure that Orlando Pirates dominate the teams in the middle of the park. So this could spell trouble for him, for Talent Mbata. So, but in my view, this is a good signing. It's a brilliant signing for Orlando Pirates. I'm so excited as a Orlando Pirates fan, as a Orlando Pirates supporter, that Orlando Pirates have managed to acquire the services of a quality player like Sipombuli. Of course, the thing now is to try and manage his off the field conduct to see can the boy be helped. Because also him, Sipombuli, needs to understand that this is probably his last biggest contract. So how he conducts himself, his behavior is going to be very important to ensure that he behaves himself. He does not throw away his career. So this means that players like Ndabagai Teto and Londo, I don't see them featuring anywhere in this Orlando Pirates team, considering the number of the quality midfielders that Orlando Pirates are making. Then that tells you that the time for the likes of Ndabagai Teto and Londo, the time might be up for them. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please, guys, remember to subscribe, remember to like, share, and comment. Thank you very much, guys.